In this videos we will talk about how to lighten skin naturally. You can save yourself some time and money by using natural remedies that will effectively brighten and lighten your skin complexion. Here are the best skin whitening home remedies. 1. Yogurt. Not only is yogurt yummy, but it is also great for the digestive system. But that's not all. Apparently, it does a lot of favors to your skin too. Thanks to its lactic acid, when applied on the skin, yogurt naturally bleaches and moisturizes it. Simply spread some fresh yogurt onto your face and let it sit for 20 minutes. Rinse off as usual. As an alternative, you can also try mixing yogurt with a tablespoon of honey or lemon for best results. 2. Lemon. There is no better natural bleaching agent than lemon. Cut out a small part of lemon and rub it on your face in a circular motion. Allow the juice to stay on your face for at least 30 minutes. Later, you may wash off using lukewarm water. Do this daily for best results. But you must also bear in mind that lemons can dry out the skin. For a natural alternative, you may apply some honey onto your face after trying out this remedy to lock in some moisture. Otherwise, you may use your regular face moisturizer. 3. Dried orange peels plus yogurt. You can dry the orange peels by placing them under the hot sun until the peels turn dry and crisp. Later, grind the dried peels into powder. Mix a tablespoon of this with a tablespoon of fresh yogurt to make a paste. Then apply this paste over cleansed face and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Repeat this at least thrice in a week for best results. 4. Tomato plus yogurt plus oatmeal. This is a powerful yet gentle remedy that suits all skin types. All you have to do is to mix a tablespoon of oatmeal with a tablespoon of tomato juice and yogurt each. Mix well until you get a thick consistency in the paste. Apply this on your face as how you would with your regular face mask and leave it on for 30 minutes. Wash off with lukewarm water. You may follow up with a mild skin moisturizer afterwards. 5. Milk plus lemon juice plus honey. Make sure to use fresh lemon juice for this remedy. Mix together a tablespoon of milk and lemon juice each. Then, add in a teaspoon of honey. Honey acts as moisturizing agent that balances out the drying property of lemon. Mix these ingredients well and apply over cleansed face. Leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing off.
Let us know in the comment section. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.